We keep saying machine learning predicts things, but how does it actually do that? Here's the secret, and it's simpler than you'd expect. Most of machine learning is just fitting a curve to some data. Take a real example. You want to guess a house's price from its size. So take the houses you already know and plot them. Size along the bottom, price up the side. Each house is a dot, and the dots roughly line up. So you draw the line that best follows those dots. That line is your model. A new house comes along, find its size on the line, look up, and read off the price. That's a prediction. And that line has a simple formula from school. Y equals mx plus c. Y is what we want, the price. X is what we know, the size. And M and C are just two dials we turn to make the line sit nicely through the dots.
But what if the dots don't fall on a straight line?
Then you fit a different shape, a gentle curve, an S shape, whatever matches the dots. In the real world, it's almost never a perfect straight line. The straight line is just the easiest one to start with. And which shape do you pick? That part is a guess, a hypothesis. One person looks and says, that looks like a line. Another says, no, that looks like a curve. You try one, see how well it fits, and adjust. So here's the whole idea. A model is really just this. Pick a shape, then turn its dials until the curve hugs your data. That is curve fitting, and that is most of machine learning. But how do you turn those dials exactly so the fit gets better and better? That's next. How a model actually trains itself.